Hey guys, Sachin here. Welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to review Madsense Profits. Madsense Profits is by Brendan Mace. Madsense Profits is releasing today on 17th of March at 9 AM EST on Warrior Plus. So what I'm going to be doing in this video is I'm going to be taking you straight inside the members area of Madsense Profits. I'm going to be sharing with you what exactly the method is in Madsense Profits front-end offer. Also, I'm going to be sharing with you, is it really going to be helpful for newbies? Is it really going to be helpful for the newcomers who want to make money online? Does it require any investment? All this kind of stuff, which probably you won't be understanding if you're just seeing the sales video, okay? Because this sales video doesn't reveal anything. It's just to trigger you over here and ask you to buy the things. But at the end of the day, you need to understand what you are going to be getting inside the members area when you purchase something, even if it is for $1. Okay. Also, I'm going to be sharing with you what are the OTOs, what are the upgrades or upsells of Madsense Profits, what are the features inside each of those OTOs, and are they really worth to buy? Okay, or you can just leave it. Also, I'm going to be sharing with you the software demo as well, and I'm going to be adding some of my bonuses which can help you if you decide to pick up Madsense Profits. Okay, so I'm going to be listing all my bonuses right below this video in the description. So make sure before you go to the sales page, check out the description, my friend. Okay, so let's get started. Let's see what is Madsense Profits. So in a nutshell, Madsense Profits is a cloud-based software which is going to help you create a fully functional website, and then you can place your AdSense banners on that website. So let me show you an example of it. Now this is an example of a site that you can create. Now don't worry about it. You don't have to create this kind of content. It's already preloaded in the software. Okay, so anything you want to promote, suppose you want to promote a weight loss offer or a back pain offer, like this one, back pain offer from ClickBank. So you need to create this kind of website. Then you need to put in your AdSense banner over here. So when somebody clicks on it, you get paid. Okay. Similarly, when somebody clicks on this content, they would read it. And here is another AdSense ad. Okay. And when somebody clicks on this link, he's going to be taken to the ClickBank offer, which is going to pay you some kind of money if somebody purchases. All right. So this is, in a nutshell, Madsense Profits is going to do for you. Okay. So manually, you don't have to do anything. You can just select a niche, whatever product you want to promote, and the website will be ready within just a few clicks of your mouse. So let me show you how you can do it. So here we are in the members area of Madsense Profits. The training videos are coming soon because here right now we are in a pre-launch period. So what you want to do is go to blogs, and you want to do is create your new blog. Okay, so this is kind of a blog, so you want to create a new blog. Then here you can basically add your own article. If you're good at writing content, you can create your own content. You can put in your own content, or you can select content from pretty much done for your content directory. Okay, now you can put in anything you want. If you want to put in according to diet, so if you put in diet in the search column, all the articles related to diet would come up, and you can basically preview them. Okay, and these are the articles are going to be there on your website. Okay, so if you like this article, you can click add to article, and then you want to name the title of your blog, customize your blog, whatever header footer you want to put in, what color you want to do it. Now your affiliate link, that it's the product link which you want to promote, and it should be related to the content. So if you're promoting a diet content, if you're writing a diet content, make sure that you get a product which is solving a problem related to diet. Okay, that would be more congruent. All right. An anchor text for your affiliate link, that means click here to read more about diet, that kind of thing. Okay, and here you can basically put in your AdSense score. Now, how you can get your AdSense score is going to be available in the training area, so I'm not going to go all through it. But in a nutshell, when somebody clicks on this banner, you get paid. The best thing about AdSense is the banners are placed on your website, and when somebody visits the website and when they see this ad, they like this ad, and when they click on it, you get paid. Now, it depends on which country you are. So suppose you're getting visitors from US, you can get a good margin on the ad click. If your visitor is from India, relatively there would be a less margin. Okay, I hope you understood that thing. Okay, it's not going to be everything same. Okay, so visitors from India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, any of the Asian countries, some kind of that countries, you're going to be getting a less revenue. If you are getting revenue, people from England, Australia, Ireland, New Zealand, US, Canada, then the revenue would be really high. Okay, it depends on from where you are getting the website visitors. So that is in a nutshell. It's going to help you to create your own blog like this. Now you can basically also take it onto your own domain. It's not just like you have to use these guys' domain. You can have it on your own domain. But the good thing about this, which I thought was, when you try to create a blog, you can see the relatively good kind of articles over here. So when you click on add articles, you can basically go to clickbank.com and you can find a lot of products which are really, really great. So you want to have, this is a good niche, and there are a lot of products in this niche. Then you can write in money. So you would get all the good content related to money. If you want to have articles related to depth, you can write it, and you would get a lot of CPA offers from Max Bounty, which are like paper lead offers, which could be really, really great. Okay, it's like really, really great articles, and there are a lot of CPA offers on Max Bounty which are going to be really congruent to this subject. Okay, so that is something, some tips for you. Okay, so that is something you're going to be able to do in the front end. Now, if you want to get free traffic, they have a solution on that. Once your blog is ready, you want to select your blog over here by going to instant traffic. Now, once you select your blog, let's say we select this one, and you can share it on this all social media networks. So eventually you can expect some free traffic. But in my opinion, this is going to be a really hard part. So I would suggest you to create a YouTube video with a good content, and then you can basically get free traffic from YouTube, because the traffic from YouTube is much more powerful. All right, that is something I recommend. Okay, but it is up to you whether you want to do it or not. Now, this is the front end, which is going to be at 16.93. Okay, so $17 is the price for this front end. Then OT number 1 is going to be the Platinum Edition. Don't know what it is inside the Platinum Edition. OT 2 is going to be done for you, which I think is a good fit for those people who are complete newbie, who don't know how to do these things. Get something which is done by the expert, okay, to get it done for you, so that you could save a lot of your time and your effort. Okay, so these guys are experienced, and they know what to do, how to create a high converting blog, which offers are converting really high. So they would do all the work for you, and they would give you ready-made blogs completely done for you. Just the one thing you need to do in this case is put in your affiliate link for that particular offer. Okay, that's it. And your AdSense code, of course. Okay, Then OTO 3 is going to be easy affiliate profits. Don't know what it is. OTO 4 is going to be 1K daily system. This is going to allow you to promote a $1,000 per sale offer, the high ticket offer from Brendan Mace. So you would be able to promote that high ticket offer, which is going to be paying you $1,000 if somebody buys a $2,000 high ticket offer. Okay, so make sure that you have. People assume that, oh, I'm going to be buying this OTO and then I'm going to be getting $1,000 per sale. Now, when you get this 1K daily system, you are going to be getting an affiliate link of a high ticket offer. When you promote that high ticket offer to your audience, if somebody buys that product for $2,000, the price is $2,000, then 50% of that you are going to be getting. 50% is going to go to vendor, 50% is going to go to your pocket. Okay, that is how it works. So if you're not sure about your audience, or you are skeptical that I don't know if my audience would buy $1,000 or $2,000 product, simply don't get it. Okay. OTO number 5 is going to be unlimited traffic. This is where you are going to be able to put in your tracking pixel, like your Facebook ad pixel. If you're creating a Facebook ad, you can take in your Facebook ad pixel or your Google ad pixel onto Brendan Mace sales pages, so that you can capture their audience and then store that audience. And then when you create a YouTube ad or a Facebook ad, you can basically use that audience to promote your offer. Okay. So training will be provided over here, but I'm not super excited about this OTO. Okay, it's up to you whether you want to get it or not. The one OTO which I highly recommend is done for you, because when the front end is complicated, the simple thing is get something which is done for you. Simple as that. All right. So here are the details. Here were the details of the OTOs. Now coming to the bonus section. Okay, so I'm going to be giving you 42 bonuses, not just 1, 2. And if you think these are some crap bonuses, let me explain. Okay, so what kind of bonus I'm going to be giving you? A buyer list arbitrage. It's a really powerful way to build a buyer's list. Then powerful backlinks to get 100% free traffic. It's a really powerful course. How to make squeeze page, how to get sales on demand, make money selling nothing, hot selling eCom items that could help you on your AdSense site. Then $100, $0 to $100 in 24 hours by Jono. Then a lot of products over here. How to make money with eBay, Bing Ads Mastery, CP Income Crusher, best guy for self-hosted email autoresponder, which are the offers which are hot and they're converting like crazy. Then banking with bonuses, how to turn your Gmail into an autoresponder, great alternative to ClickFunnels. Then get 90% off on AdWords spend, AdWords retargeting tutorial, fortunes in a follow-up, and all this kind of stuff. So there are like 42 bonuses. I'm going to be listing all these bonuses right below this video description. Maybe you can check it out before you go to the sales page. So that's it. This all 42 bonuses I'm going to be giving you with just a front end at 16.93. Okay, now once the launch gets over after 7 days, this all bonuses are gonna be vanish. Okay, so make sure you get all make sure you get Madsense profits if you want my bonuses before the launch ends, maybe on 23rd or 24th of this month. And after that, the bonuses are gonna be disappearing. Okay, so that was my review for Madsense profits. Simple yet powerful method. If you do it correctly, it can really work for you. Okay, but if you do it in the wrong way, if you don't understand it, if you just rush to it, it's really hard. Okay, and then you will get frustrated, and then you will move on to the next so-called opportunity. So make sure it doesn't happen with you. Maybe this could be the last product that you would buy. Implement it properly the way it has been shown in the trainings, and try it for 30 days. If it doesn't work for you, you're always covered by the 30-day money-back guarantee. So it's your money is of course safe. Okay, so decide for yourself if you want to buy. If you buy through my link is right below this video. I would appreciate it. If you get the front end, you will get all of my 42 bonuses. Okay, that's a promise. Okay, so the bonuses are going to be preloaded on the receipt page. So when you get Madsense through the link right below this video, by clicking this button, you will get a receipt from Warrior Plus, and then you will get access to this members area. But in the Warrior Plus receipt, you will get access to my all these bonuses. The blue button there would be on the Warrior Plus receipt page, which would say affiliate bonus. Affiliate bonus in the blue color button. Make sure you remember that. And click on that button and you will get access to my bonuses. But for any reason, if you're finding it hard to get my bonuses, don't hesitate to reach out to me on Facebook. My Facebook link is given below in the description. Message me there, and I will see to it, and I will send you the bonuses within 12 to 24 hours max. All right. So thank you so much for watching my Madsense Profits review video. If you like this video, you can click the like button. If you didn't like it, just let me know what you didn't like so that I can improve myself in my next review video. All right. Thank you so much, my friend, and have a great day. Bye-bye.